Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm doing a coffee review on some Starbucks coffee. Verona is the blend of coffee. And this is 100% coffee. It's dark roast, whole bean coffee. This has a big bag. This is how it comes. And just give you a quick, it says quick description of what the notes are. It says notes of dark cocoa and caramelized sugar. Now that's interesting. And Starbucks has a rating between, lightest and darkest. As you can see here, you see that lightest and darkest. And this one's a rating a little bit more than medium, so a little bit towards the darker side. I don't like super dark because it almost tastes burnt personally. I don't like that. This is probably as high as I will go with the Starbucks coffee. They're very, very strong coffee, the way they roast their beans. But I want to show you about the beans. I put them in a burr grinder when I make my coffee in the morning, and I use a Cuisinart drip coffee maker. Everybody has their own way of making their coffee. Everyone has their own formula, whatever. I just wanted to really talk about the beans and just see. I brewed some coffee already. I want to show you how it looks, and I want to show you how the beans look, and that's the main thing. So let's open up the bag here. And I already opened up earlier today, made coffee, of course, but I want to show you how rich this looks. So you can just see these beans here. Absolutely amazing. Here you go. You can see the beans here. I just want you to see the richness, and you can see the oil all in the beans. You can see they're just really little oily, and that's really important when they roast them. All the oil comes out of the beans, and the bag keeps the beans moist and keeps them all, there you go, some shots there, keeps them all like full. The oil just stays there, so it doesn't evaporate, which is really nice. So this is a really nice quality bean, and they smell, out of the bag, very, very, not bad. I mean, some coffees have really, especially Starbucks, they can have a really funny smell. This one does not. This is not a burnt smell. You can just see how they look. Let me get a close-up. You can see there. There you go. You can see there how the beans look. And they're really, really nice. So what I'll do is I'll put them in the hopper here. Usually I do is I just put them in the hopper. And any burr grinder will do the same. I open up the hopper, and I always fill it. The problem with a lot of these coffee burr grinders and these kind of beans, that these beans are so oily, sometimes they stick and they don't really fall the way they should. So that's a problem I've been having with different burr grinders. So if you're having that problem, let me know. Leave some comments down below if you're having that issue as well. I know I am, so I'm not sure if you are. So let's just pour some beans in here. And I fill up the hopper like that. I always try to fill it up like that. I pat it down, like you see there. And I'll put the cover on, and then I'll give it a shake. Just make sure it starts to feed properly. Make sure it feeds into the hopper properly, and then grinds the beans. Now I also have like a little stick I use also as well. So I'll open up this here, and I'll just put it there and make sure everything gets mixed inside. That's another idea, another secret I have to get those beans in there and make sure they're not sticking to the bottom of the hopper, and make sure they will feed into the grinder properly. Now, this grinder here is different. Everyone has they're all a little different. This one has different coarses you can do. You can do coarse to medium, which is drip coffee, to fine, to espresso. And that just makes the wheel tighter, makes the particles more fine. And you do espresso, the finer the coffee, the stronger it is. You know what I'm trying to say? You don't want that. And it can be very bitter, so you have to be careful on that. So this is designed to make two cups. That's what it says. So I'll just turn that grinder on. You can see here, it'll measure the 2 cups of coffee. It'll stop just like that. And I'll just tap that. And you can see here how fine it just grinds this coffee really nice. Like that. You can see how nice that is. And you can just smell the oils. Everything is being released. It absolutely smells fantastic. So what I'll do next, I'll just pop it into my coffee, into my filter, paper filter. I know it's, some people do, everybody has their own style, what they use, but this is how I make my coffee. And I just want to show you the finished result of this coffee. I just want to show you, this is a finished pot. I brewed maybe about 15 minutes ago, and you can just see how rich that coffee is. Absolutely gorgeous cup of coffee. Now, it smells fantastic. That's why I love grinding my own beans in the morning. You can just see how beautiful that coffee looks. You can just see how rich it is. It's flavorful and absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to recommend this, the Starbucks coffee. This is one of my favorite blends from Starbucks. If you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know what your favorite blend is And also let me know your favorite way of making coffee, because everybody makes coffee their own way. This is the way I make it. So everybody has their own idea, everybody has their own technique, and everyone can be very scientific regarding making coffee. But this is mine, very simple, grind and brew and drink, and very, very simple, but it gets the point across. I like the flavor of this coffee. So let me know, guys. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. There'll be a link at the end of the video for this coffee below the fold. Also, there'll be a QR code right here. Right there be a QR code, and also at the end of the video there'll be a link over here for this coffee. So if any guys have any questions, I do appreciate you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for following my channel. It really means a lot to me. And if you want me to do more coffee reviews or more ideas about coffee, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Give me some ideas for 2025, and I'll do it for you. Appreciate your time as always. Enjoy your coffee and have a great day. How do you have your coffee? Let me know. Do you have cream, sugar, black? Let me know in the comments how you drink your coffee. That's like another really good question I want to know. Do you have it black? Do you have cream? Do you use sugar? Do you use Splenda? Do you use anything? Or just straight out of just like this? Okay, guys, have a great morning. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day. Enjoy.